So Tanapong, thanks again for coming for the MV60 this year. So I would like to ask you about the 5G development. You know, Thailand is the first ASEAN country roll out 5G, I think, since 2020.
Yeah.
So it's good to know about the milestone.
Right.
Recently, we also see Thailand have a very successful 5G summit in Bangkok, and your Prime Minister also mentioned the formation of nationwide 5G
Right.
alliance.
Right.
So we see there's a strong support from the government to make Thailand become a digital center for ASEAN. So we really want to know about how's ASEAN development after the 5G for 2 years' time. What are the milestones and what does this alliance impact to AIS?
Right. Thanks, Terence. Great to be here. Actually, AIS and Thailand now we are embarking on 5G for more than 2 years. You know, some significant milestone that we've gone through, like we start to explore the opportunity. We invest a lot on the 5G network, you know, collaboration with all the partners, you know, to develop and build all the product and solution. You know, so we successfully drive all those, you know, productization in terms of how we can leverage 5G, you know, technology and solution. So after 2 years, I think there's a lot of things that we're learning, and also a big collaboration with the government in terms of how we can drive, you know, our Thailand digital economy toward the all the, you know, leading edge technology. Definitely 5G is one of them. You know, to be the part of the contribution to the digital infrastructure for the country. Now, so our strategy is to help our customer and alliance with all the technology partners to support our customer digital transformation, and also develop and building the capabilities, not only for AIS, but also the in-country resources like our partners and also our customers to join together to develop all the use cases. So far right now, we have many use cases that we're deploying to our customers, especially in the area of the manufacturing, smart property, transportation, and also retail. You know, we still believe that there's a lot of things to do, to learn. We still don't know what we don't know a lot. You know, but definitely, you know, we need to be clear what we want to be achieved, how we can leverage 5G technology that we invest, you know. So that's in Thailand, we invest a lot in the EEC area, you know, which is the Asian Economic Corridor. You know, it will be the future of Thailand Digital 4.0 to deploy those technology to help, you know, our client in the country to develop more and transform more business to be successful for the future.
I see. Very good, very promising, and a very great milestone so far. I think you are really the leading among the other ASEAN countries in terms of the scale of the 5G, in terms of the use cases. So many use cases across different sectors and really in a commercial role.
Right.
Great. So as AIS is a founder member for the APAC 5G industry community, formed up with other 12 contributor members together with GSMA. So after 10 months time of development, with your great support, we already accumulate more than 600 members from government, from agency, from enterprises, and a lot of innovator and solution providers. So since Thailand also forming the national lead 5G alliance, so any advice or suggestion how this APAC 5G industry community and the national 5G alliance can work together to maximize the synergy or energy? Any advice?
Right. I'd like to thank, you know, this collaboration on 5G, you know, innovation, you know, technology that we work together. I think it's a big collaboration among us to learn from each other and leverage, you know, the collaboration from our side. Right, give you an example. Right now, we also deploying the Paragon platform from Singtel, you know, on the 5G platform, and we just announced this last year. Last month, you know, to providing the 5G next gen platform for the customer to make sure that customer can onboarding the application and solution really quickly, and also, you know, with this collaboration, we can learn and sharing knowledge base together, especially use cases and application that we deploy among each other. And last but not least, I think we need to build and grow the economy of scale of the 5G, you know, solution, product, and everything, you know, to help to big more volume, and so driving the cost down. That will be the most important, how we can drive the ecosystem of the 5G collaboration together.
Great. I'm really very happy because seeing AIS and a lot of regional operator and also organization working together. Our purpose is very simple. We want to help the enterprise and industry for digital transformation with lower cost and more easy. So I think AIS already demonstrate what they are doing, which is a very good example for let's work together. And I know Tanapong will have a section on tomorrow. He also bringing his client remote hospital together in the
Right.
stage.
Right.
So hopefully you have a good stage, good performance on tomorrow, and enjoy the show.
Thank you, Travis. Bye bye.